personal computers, including smartphones, are sort of an expansion of your brain. So I think it's worth spending um, as much money as you can. So yeah, it's very economical if you can buy one part of intelligence by just money. So, as you know, it's very difficult to increase your intelligence level. Uh, you have to um, commit to like hard work and spend so much like dedication and effort. But these days, you can buy single part, though it's a single part of intelligence, but I think it's very worth to spend money. So I really love Apple products, and I'm using iPhone and MacBook Air, and I buy them every single year, and with full respect. So yeah, I believe that's a good decision for me.